How's everybody doing today? It is October 30th, 2020. This will be a quick video. I just want to bring some attention to this article that I just came across because it plays into exactly what we've been talking about with all of the rioting. And let's just read it real quick. It says Walmart pulls guns and ammo from store displays, citing potential civil unrest. Now, how many times have I been screaming that they're using these riots, they're using this protesting against us, whether it is to bring in your military or to bring in whatever they want to control us and take more of your rights away? Well, what do you think this is right here? Now look what they're being able to do. Oh, well, we're going to pull all the guns and all the ammo because of possible civil unrest. Do you see it? Do you see the writing on the wall? I mean, this is just ridiculous. It says Walmart on Thursday said it has pulled guns and ammunition from the sales floor of the U.S. of all its U.S. stores as it seeks to keep firearms from being stolen should social unrest erupt. Do you think they're planning for something? Do you think that maybe they're planning when Joe Biden loses? Because that's what the angle that I see that works out best for them is Biden loses, and this is in the United States, and like I always say, this is definitely worldwide. This is not just a United States thing, but this is just about the United States right here. I think the best thing for them is Biden loses. People think, oh, well, when he loses, that'll just go away. No, that means that the riots are going to get so bad, so much worse because they lost. So things are going to be insane, and I believe that lines up perfectly. Okay, and even if for some reason it goes the other way, I think either way you go, say Biden somehow pulls off a win, he wins, then the other side is going to revolt and riot. Do you see how they've set it up? They've set it up so that they make people believe, oh, rioting's okay. Go do what you want. You're just protesting. You're just, protecting your own rights. No, you're being set up. And when you see something like this, when they pulled it from all stores, yeah, they are planning for this. They know what's coming. They know the lockdowns are coming and people are going to revolt this time. Everybody, we need to prepare right now. I mean, listen to this. As we have seen some isolated civil unrest, and as we have done on several occasions over the last few years, we have moved our firearms and ammunition off the sales floor as a precaution for the safety of our associates and customers. A Walmart spokesperson said in an email to CBS Money Watch, these items do remain available for purchase by customers. See, they have to put this part out, right? Oh, they've done it before. Oh, so this is no big deal. It's just in the back. You can still buy it. No, don't fall for that, okay? Yeah, that might be the case right this second, but how easy is it for them to say, well, it's off the floor. We're not selling. How easy is it for them to get it out of there? If they did want to just completely up and take it and have it gone, so that nothing, so we could never come back and revolt or buy it or whatever it is. Trust me, this is a setup. This is planned. Okay. It says the company in June removed firearms and ammunition from stores after the George Floyd killing by police when several of its stores were damaged. Do you see? Do you see? This was the test. That was the test. They did it. They knew what happened. They knew how it was going to, what they planned. They saw the reaction. They saw the rioting. They saw what they did. So now they have it all lined up. Okay, we do this. They do that. They riot. Okay, well, we'll pull all this, guns and ammunition. We'll take away all their rights. We'll bring in the National Guard. We'll put them on a curfew. We'll do all these things. And, now they know. Everybody, please, please share this information, share this article, please, because don't let them act like this is just some, normal procedure that they do. Trust me, it's a step-by-step thing. I've explained this to you over and over again. You see it with the lockdowns, how, oh, well, we're only doing a light lockdown, like they just come out in Germany, and Merkel said. Oh, well, that's how they start, a light lockdown. Then it automatically just continues to skyrocket to the highest level. That's the same thing they're doing here with this. They're not just going to come out one day and say, oh, sorry, you guys can't buy any guns or ammo anymore. People would, revolt against that. It's a step-by-step thing. Pull it off little by little so that you are not aware enough. You're desensitized enough to where you don't put up a fight. Everyone, we have to continue to make a plan, prepare today because things are escalating, and I believe by the new year, things are going to be so much worse and we are going to be in a whole nother state. So, a whole nother state of evil. So, please continue to pray, continue to share this information because it is making a difference. I think every single one of you I truly, truly appreciate all your comments. I apologize for not being able to answer as many lately. I've been very sick and just trying to get through the days. So we'll continue to get the information out. You continue to share it and talk to your families, and we'll continue to do this together. Continue to pray, please. You need your faith now more than ever. I could never do this without my faith. Everybody will talk to you soon. God bless.